Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and you're having a fantastic day. My name is Avtaars Flora and welcome to Avtaars World. Today I'm going to talk about the essentials that you would need for the Indian cooking. Basic ingredients that go into the dish, and then you have the types of sauces that actually make the dish, and then you have some complementary spices to go with it, or you also have some aromatic spices. To start off with, a lot of Indian dishes will have onions. You're using onions is to give you that layer for the sauce. I tend to mince my onions in the food chopper, and then that will give you a lovely soft with a nice creamy texture. Another ingredient, the ginger. Now this ginger is in its original form. A lot of times you can get ginger in the paste form, or you can even obtain it in the frozen form. When I go to the shops, I'll buy loads of ginger because this will keep from its a root, and when you break it off it starts drying up, so that will give me that fresh taste. Another very common ingredient that goes into the Indian cooking is garlic. Again, this garlic is in the raw form or organic form. The bulbs, you will see them often in the supermarket shelves. Pick a few and this lasts a long time. You don't even have to store it in the fridge at a room temperature, and it will actually last. So again, with garlic, you have garlic coming in the frozen form, or you can get it in the paste in the bottles. All right, you have the chili powder, and please don't try what I'm trying here on my hand. This is to show you the colors. The one that I'm showing you there is Kashmiri chili powder. This has got a beautiful color to it. Of course, yes, it has got some heat. Another product that goes always into the curries is turmeric. Now turmeric, when it gets used into the dishes, is always in the powdered form, and that is yellow color. There, it when combined with the rest of the ingredients, it will give you the most beautiful color to the curry. It has also got its own taste as well, so that taste actually adds to the flavor of the curry or the taste of the curry, and besides it having a lot of medicinal benefits as well. Of course, as usual, as any cuisine, we have some salt here, and that you will add it according to your own taste. Of course, we're talking about the basics, and the most essential basic ingredient that you will use or you will need for to make that blend of the sauce. Any cooking oil is fine, and again, once you have done that basics, just give it a try and you will adapt. You will know whether you want to put a flavored oil or would you rather have some ghee in it. Ghee is the Indian clarified butter, which once it's clarified, it will bear the heat at very hot temperature. You have some other oils like extra virgin olive oil. This will not bear the cooking temperature when you are frying your onions. I have done loads of videos and they show you the process of making that sauce or the stages you would add those ingredients. The most commonly ingredient used in the curries or the sauces is tomatoes. The secret behind getting the full aromatic tasty sauce out of that many basic ingredients is how and the method and the stages that when you add or fry them with the fat content, and that is what gives you that silky smooth, lovely, yummy, delicious tomato sauce base to the curries. Now I'm going to bring you to some additional ingredients here. The most commonly used spice is jeera or cumin, and this gets used in different steps or different methods in the Indian cooking. But when you look at the jeera, or even when it is in raw form, it is releasing a lot of flavor, so that gives that flavor to the curry. Talking about the chilies, as you can see, I've got some green chilies there. I've got some chili flakes here. Yeah. Of course, these are full of heat. And I have got some whole red chilies. Yeah. Here I've got the black peppercorn. Now, some of the dishes you will need to add that extra heat, and you may want to use green chilies. When green chilies are been minced or cut into little pieces, they give you that instant heat, and then there is that beautiful taste that comes out of the green chilies is the red chili flakes. Besides the color, it gives you that extra heat. The heat black peppercorn release is a different kind of a heat, and it's got a different taste to it compared to the heat that you would get from the red chilies or the flakes or the powder or even the dry red whole chilies here. Ginger releases the heat as well. Taste of the ginger is on a different level altogether. So, but that has got bittery hot taste to it as well. So it's not the chilies alone that is giving you that fabulous or lovely curry. It's the ginger as well for that taste. Now that actually brings me to the levels. When we talk about Indian cooking, there is a levels or the layers of the taste. I have talked about the most basic ones, and then you have these other additional ingredients that you're adding for the taste. Similarly goes for the tomatoes. That will give you that another layer of the taste or the level, because depending on what tomatoes you are using, you will get the coloring according to that, and you will also get the sharpness of the tomatoes according to the ones that you are using. Next, it brings me to another level where you are going to add complementary ingredients to increase that flavors and the depth of flavors. One thing that gets most commonly used is garam masala. Now, garam masala, as the name suggests, the garam means hot, and it is made up of few ingredients combined together to give you that heat from all those mixed ingredients, and then when you add it to the dish, that gives you that flavors and the aromas that comes out of the dish. I have already done the recipe for the garam masala. Please have a look on my channel. I'll show you another powder here. Now this is, which is looking very, very similar to the garam masala, is actually coriander powder. They look very much alike, but the biggest difference you can tell is the flavors that are being released out of the garam masala and the coriander powder. Coriander powder has got a very, very distinct aroma that it releases, whereas garam masala, because it's made with few ingredients combined together, it is more deeper and it's more sharper as well. You know, if you take a little smell of it, you can tell it's sharper it always look darker in color compared to the coriander powder. So that's your garam masala, which is looking darker, and the coriander powder is more of a golden color. While I'm mentioning the garam masala, when you add garam masala to the dish, that is actually what makes such a big significant difference. A majority of the Indian cooking, garam masala is added right at the end once the dish is cooked, to bring those flavors and aromas and to balance the other ingredients that you've already added into the dish, or other spices. So it kind of balances it and it gives you that lovely taste and the delicious flavors. And if you wanted to have yet another level, the lemon and fresh lemon juice, and another one is the fresh coriander, spring onions, as well as the curry leaves. Try it for yourself. Make a dish with just those basic essentials, and then make the same dish while adding those additional spices, and then to top it up, add some complementary stuff as well, and you will be able to tell the difference. I hope you have enjoyed that. I hope it's of use to you. So thank you very much for being with us, and share your comments with us. Tell us what you think. Until next time, God bless you all. Goodbye for now. Take care. Bye-bye.